Hi, this is Alex from Beech Hill Garage. We're delighted to be able to offer this 1974 MGB Roadster. It's finished in a stunning shade of Ferrari Rosso red. As you can probably see, the car has been totally restored to an extremely high standard. I'd probably go so far as to say it's probably the best MGB on offer at the moment. Certainly in terms of condition and specification. Bodywork is absolutely superb. Not a mark, not a blemish anywhere. The car is as clean underneath as it is on top. There's a fair amount of history with the car as well. Current owner has been fastidious in the maintenance. A few useful upgrades as well, which I'll come to in a moment. So set on these very attractive chrome wire wheels. I mean, the whole car looks absolutely stunning. Beautiful red, it's mohair tonneau cover. Hood is the same quality. Just lurking around the back there, see battery cut-off switch. Upgraded dashboard finish with this attractive walnut effect. At 12-volt socket, useful upgraded stereo, upgraded leather seats. Most attractive in this beige leather. Complements the car really well. Useful boot rack. Back in the boot. Fully carpeted. Of course, from the factory they never were, but this one's been done. Jack and bag, useful. So, and then let's get to the engine. So, uprated specification engine, cast Ocelli valve cover there, 45 DCOE Weber, K&N filter, servo brakes, oil cooler is standard. Car is fitted with overdrive as well, as you'd expect on this year of MGB. The other plus point is it is actually fitted with power steering as well, which is fully adjustable, so you can vary the weighting to suit yourself. It's just a little adjustment knob there, so you can adjust the steering to suit your particular driving style. I have to say it does make a huge difference at parking speeds though. It's one criticism we get sometimes with MGBs, particularly for older owners. So there we are, all in all a really nice example. So I think you'd be hard pressed to find one in better condition. An absolutely stunning car. Any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beech Hill Garage, and thanks for watching.